Hey guys, Ed Harold. I'm back to gush again about Barton and his great company at Upgraded Formulas. 2 weeks ago, I did a post about some products that came to us in the mail and how much it just improved my whole mind body experience and being in rhythm in my 24-hour cycle. So we decided to order again and order a subscription. And within 24 hours, we got an email from the company. Unbelievable customer service where they wanted to do a consultation with us to make sure that we were getting the right supplements for what we require in our life right now. They even offer a hair test to make sure that what you're ordering is exactly specific to you. What company does that? So you're not wasting money. The products themselves are unbelievable. This upgraded charge, this energy that I take in the morning, it moves me through the day with the proper amount of energy. It's not hyper, you're not too high, you're not too low. You just flow through your day and it really feels great. This upgraded magnesium is one of the top rated magnesiums that are out there. This product is amazing. It's improved my sleep almost overnight, the quality of my sleep, the delta waves. It's improved my heart health. I feel so much more at ease with my heart and my blood pressure. Great product. Memory really helps us stay focused and grounded between the conscious and subconscious brain. And we ordered this upgraded mood, and we're taking this in the morning, Wendy and I. And it's really helped me manage my emotions so my emotions don't manage me based on who I was in the past. So Upgraded Formulas, I suggest you all go to their website, take a look at what they have to offer because they are a 5-star top flight company. Go be great.